After I very aggressively woke up this morning, I decided I wanted to make a tomahawk or an axe. So I found this railroad spike here, and I figured I'd try my hand at making one. Supposedly, the railroad in the 1800s ran through our property, and I've been finding lots of pieces and railroad spikes and just different miscellaneous junk lying around here to back up the theory. I've made tomahawks and hatchets in the past, but I've never attempted it with a railroad spike. So I got the eye of the axe too thin, and I grabbed it and I broke it in half. And you don't want it that thin if you're going to be chopping with it. So I found this old antique ball-peen hammer laying in my barn, so I'm going to see if I can turn it into a tomahawk. Okay, kids, lesson time. What are you whenever you go to the internet and listen to an idiot on the internet? Correct, you are an idiot yourself. Or at least that's what happened to me whenever I decided to listen to an idiot talking about how he quenched a ball-peen tomahawk in water. After I got done contemplating me stepping out in front of a semi-truck due to this crack going all the way down the blade, I figured, you know what? 3 times a charm? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to have a chance to win this tomahawk in a giveaway, hit the subscribe button and like and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.